General effect of this infectious disease. We will study here in this chapter the general effect of infectious disease. Infectious disease is there are a lot of infectious disease available here. So it's a depend on our body. There are a lot of systems is working in our body. In those systems, digestive systems, excretory systems, circulatory systems. Respiratory systems, integumentary systems, systems of skeletal systems, and also different types of the systems is in work in our body. As we know that that's a very important systems in overall body is the immunity systems. So immunity system is a such types of the systems in which it working for our disease fighting agent. So we will here write that and try to understood that general effect of the infectious disease. So general effect of general effect of infectious disease. General effect of infectious disease. Here, so we will study about. As we know that there are, as we know that there are many systems working in our body, but above all of them, the immunity systems play very important role in securing our health and protect body from infections, microbes, or we can say that pathogens. So there are a lot of pathogens available here. Okay, so one by one pathogens you have to understood that. So what is pathogen? Suppose that any our body it in which the immune system is essential for our health, as we define that protect our body against the microbes and keep body safe against and keep body safe against microbes. So there are a lot of infectious diseases keep body safe from the microbes. In response to this, suppose that any response to infections and active immune systems, and when any microbes enter in our body, our immune system get activated, in which active immune systems play. So active immune systems recruit many cells. Active immune systems recruit many cells that play a very important role in finding. Immune systems play very important roles, and active immune systems in which the immune systems recruits many cells in infected area and in infected area and kill the infectious microbes, infectious microbes, infectious, kill the infectious microbes, infected area, and kill the infectious area and kill the infectious disease or microbes. Thus recommendations means that recruitment process is called this recruitment. Thus this recruitment process is called, this recruitment process is called inflammations, called inflammations. It means that thus due to this there may be a local effect like inflation. Due to this there may be local effect like common cold, like swelling, pain, liver problems, and some like swelling, pain, liver infection, swelling, pain, liver infections, allergy, liver infections and allergy, pains, liver infections, allergy can be seen. Okay, suppose that liver allergy can be seen. Suppose that infections of the tissue says if the base on the basis of this infection same allergy tissue is specified, like some tissue is specified, some tissue is specified like specificity like AIDS, HIV containing HIV is the virus that infect AIDS. Due to this our body, okay, due to this our body is not capable to fight, even do not capable to fight against any minors means that's against even minor infection, like even against even minor infection like common cold, minor infections like common cold, diarrhea. Common cold, diarrhea, and different types of disease cannot be controlled, and this may lead to death. Okay, so these are also the severe types of the disease, and severity of the disease also depend upon its, and if we are talking about this one thing, severity of disease manifestation, severity of disease manifestation, okay, severity of disease manifestations manifestation indirectly depend on the number of microbes. Indirectly depend on the number of microbes means that if the number of microbes is not more, then the severity of these disease manifestations will not be required. Require more specifics. So number of microbes is very small. If the number of microbes, that means if the number of microbes are very small, then what I mean, then number of microbes is very small, then if the number of microbes is very small, then the disease manifestations may be minor. Then disease manifestation will be minor, or we can say that the disease manifestations may be minor or unnoticed. But if the microbes are large in number, then what happens? Then if the microbes are large in numbers, then disease can be severe enough. Okay, then the disease can be severe enough. Okay, this disease will be very severe and severe enough to be life threatening. Enough to be life threatening. Enough to be life threatening means that it creates problems. The importance of the immune systems can, due to this, well understand. So that we have to understood all points and it's a working process. So immunity systems is play important roles by means of which we can identify and we can understand the different types of disease. So these immunity systems, especially active immune systems, that provide more recruitment of cell to fight these types of the microbes which is affected to our body, and also create different types of problems. Infectious disease enter in our body, and the common cold like disease that was very rare and minor disease will infect our body and create problems that will lead to death, and these are the critical system problems that associated with the immunity system. So first we have to calculate our immunity systems and try to understood that's the importance of the immunity systems, and we have to require the develop or increase our immunity system so that we can also improve our immunity systems and can lead to save our body, lead to death, save our lives, lead to deaths, and our survivors should be very importance, and that can create a major roles in our lives and also the living beings lives. Okay, thank you, bye bye.